everyone, it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts. So if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button because I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now we are going to get straight into the try-on portion of this video. In case I didn't say, I have a prime wardrobe. I have 8 items of clothing to try on. But before we get into the try-on, I just want to quickly say, for those of you who don't know what prime wardrobe is or how it works, I will leave all the information in the description box down below. Just click on the show more button, and I will also include a link. So in case you're interested in trying it, it'll take you right there and it'll walk you through it. Okay, so with that said, this is a very spring forward box. I already got everything unboxed, ready to go. Here is the first item that you will see me in, and this is a pink tie-dye long sleeve top. And this is from the company A Stylish, and they are charging $19.99 for this. Now this is a button-down tie-dye pink top, as you can see, and there is tie-dye everywhere. You can't turn around anymore without seeing tie-dye. And this is very lovely. This is a very, very super lightweight shirt. It is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. It has buttons that go all the way down the front. It has one pocket right here in the front. I usually don't use those, but lately I have been starting to include putting my eyeglasses in there sometimes, especially like when I'm shopping. It's just easy. It is a little bit longer in the back. I just love the pink tie-dye version of this. I thought the pink was very spring-like, and I think it would go great with a pair of white jeans. And speaking of which, that is what I paired it with. And these are Not Your Daughter jeans. And these are petite pull-on skinny jeans with side slit in the color Optic White. And these are $72.77. Now I want to invest in a good pair of white pants, especially for the summer. I got a pair recently at Walmart's, but they're kind of thin and see-through, so I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I do have them, but I just have to be cautious of what shirt I wear with it. So I'm not mad about wanting to spend a little bit of extra money on a nice thick quality pair of white pants, but unfortunately I don't think these are it. They are very comfortable, but they just didn't fit me correctly. I wasn't in love with it, and for $73, they better be perfect and I better love them. Like I said, I don't mind spending the money, but they better be perfect for $73. So these are gonna be a no. This is from Vixen, and this is a short sleeve, and this is in petite. This is from Vixen, and this is a petite short sleeve, slit sleeve. Wow, let's all say that fast. And this is $24.98. And I loved the black or the blue and white. This is a navy, and you can see it has little slits going right down here in the front. It does have an elastic string right here at the bottom. It does tie right here in the front. I think it's cute. I got the size petite large. I think I might send this one back and go for a petite medium. I felt like it was a little too blousy. I think the sizing was pretty generous. So I liked it, but if I do keep it, it's probably gonna go down to a medium. Now I paired this top with these pair of capris, and these are Briggs New York pull-on capris in the color navy for $28.06. Now I really enjoyed these capris. They have a flat panel in the front. They have 2 pockets right here in the front for like coins or something right here. They do have pockets in the back, but I think they're just for decoration. I don't think they're real pockets. And even if they were, I wouldn't use them. But yeah, they are real pockets. So I guess they're just sewn shut. But yeah, I mean, $28.06. I loved where they hit me on my leg. So these are a very strong contender. I'm going to have to think about these. But I really like them. All right, now the next top out is this, and this is from Amazon Essentials, And this is a woman's short sleeve woven blouse in the color bright pink, which boy, is this a bright pink, right? And this is a size large for $19.90. Now, I really loved the color of this. The pinks are really screaming springtime to me. I enjoyed a lot of aspects about this shirt. I enjoyed the neckline. It's a very nice neckline. It has button-down detail going down the front. I tied it in a little bow in the front. I thought it just looked cute like that, but you could undo that. That's just the way I did it. It's just pretty much plain in the back. Now, the material is 100% viscose, which means you can wash it, but you have to line dry it. So as much as I like this shirt, I have learned from Stitch Fix, anything that tells you to line dry, you better line dry it because it will shrink if you try to throw this in the washer. And I know I just won't do it. So unfortunately, as much as I love this shirt is probably going to go back. Now, I had that pink top on with these, and this is Lee's Relaxed Fit Capris in a petite for $24.86. Now, they were all right. I wasn't madly in love with them. They were a little snug right on my belly. They do have this cute little floral pattern right here in the front, and they are a relaxed fit, but I just wasn't in love with them. They were okay, but I don't think I'm going to keep them. So these are probably going to be a no-go for me, but I will leave the links to everything that you see in this video in case you do like it and you are looking for something like this. I will leave the links in the description box so you can check it out yourself. Next top out is this one, and you guys know I love floral. If you watch me at all, florals are what I like. And this is from Star Vixen also. And this is the same thing. This is the tongue twister. It's just like the polka dot shirt, but this one is in a floral print. And this is a short slit sleeve keyhole tie peasant top bubble hem. Oh, and this one is $23.13. Okay, now this one I am definitely keeping. I think I am going to take back the blue and the white polka dot one. But this one I'm definitely keeping. I'm not even sizing down on this one. I just love this top so much. It is so comfortable, and I just love the dark floral pattern on this. I feel like it would go with so many lovely things. I have a lot of light pink. I have a light pink denim jacket that I think would go really well. I have a lot of light pink cardigans that I like to throw on in the springtime. So this is a keeper for me, guys. I absolutely love this blouse. This is so me. It's so pretty and feminine, and I just love the way it's very lightweight. What is the material on this? Oh, it's 98% polyester and 2% spandex. So it's very friendly to throw in the washer and the dryer. So double win for me. So absolutely love this. Now I paired it with these Briggs New York pull-on capris, and these are $26.86. Now these are just like the other capris. They're flat panel in the front. They have 2 pockets in the front and 2 pockets in the back, but the pockets are sewn shut. And these are a nice, rich, dark black, very stretchy, very comfortable. I love a good flat panel front there, especially with a lot of shirts when you don't want buttons and zippers popping through your shirts. I like where it hit me on my leg. Is this a petite? Let me see. It does not say a petite, so I'm assuming they're just regular length. But yes, I truly love these pants. So let's go ahead and let's do the wrap up. I'm definitely keeping these black capris. I love them. I feel I will get a lot of use out of them. And I'm keeping this black floral top that went with it. I thought it made just a cute, really cute outfit. So these two, I know I'm definitely keeping. The rest, I'm kind of on the fence with. Well, some of them I'm not. These blue jean capris, I just didn't like them. They cut me in the belly. Yeah, they just gave me a muffin top. They were uncomfortable. Just not a good fit for me. And I like this, but for some reason, this is the same top as the black floral top, but it just felt bigger on me. I don't know why. But since I'm going to keep the black floral top, maybe I'll order this in the future in a smaller size, but this time I'm going to send it back. And this, while I liked it, I don't know if I'm absolutely in love with. I'm on the fence with this one. This one, I think, is a really cute shirt if I find the perfect, nice pair of white pants that I'm wanting. Actually, you know, since I like those black capris so much, maybe I will go on the website and see if they have white capris. Oh, how cute would that look with the white capris? Okay, I'm probably going to end up keeping this one. Yeah. The Not Your Daughter's capris, going to go back. $70-some, not worth it. The navy blue capris I liked, but now that I'm thinking, I want the white capris, so I'm sending that one back. And this one, while I enjoyed the color, I thought it was really beautiful. I like the shape, the design, everything. But if I can't put it in the dryer, I'm not even going to bother with it anymore. I'm done. I have ruined too many shirts that I've spent good money on that I can't wear because they've shrunk up, because I know I just won't throw them in the, I won't line dry them. I'm just not disciplined enough. Okay, so that was everything. I have a Stitch Fix coming up, guys. And I also have a Natalie Attired coming, which I haven't had a Natalie Attired in quite a while. Yeah, so I'm super excited. I think that's actually going to come today, so let's hope. If it does, I'll try to get it recorded today and get it up by this weekend. But I don't know. That depends on a lot of things, you know. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun.